This is the Corsair K70 RGB gaming keyboard. Looks intimidating if you ask me. It's fast and comes with its customizable MX keys. Currently selling for about 160 bucks. We're going to take a look at this and see what it has to offer. Hello guys, it's Rickaquaog and welcome to another video. If you're new to this channel, I do unboxing, tech reviews and all. Without taking much of your time, let's get to the video. This video was sponsored by Partum Global, your plug for hardware acquisition advisory for building that perfect custom PC. Getting straight to the unboxing. For the unboxing, let's begin with the box itself. The box already sends the message of RGB everything. With all sorts of colors on it, makes you want to rip into the box and see what you have for yourself. Right on the box you can see this has the red MX switch placed on the top right, so you know what you're getting before you even get inside. Getting into the box is the keyboard itself. My keycap seems to have endured a lot of rough handling, or I think they could have specifically placed it off so you can right away see the switches you have chosen here, because I had a lot of keycaps rolling all around in the rubber. Also placed in the box is additional keycaps, a puller, a user manual and a detachable wrist rest. The wrist pad has this plasticky solid feel to it. I was hoping this was something more softer, more like the K95 Platinum that gives you the option to switch between the hard pad or the soft pad. The keyboard is packed with a lot of dedicated keys. Beneath is the rubber feet for solid grip and a riser to adjust the angle. It also has the wire channel for easily routing wires, so it gets you this neat setup. This is an aluminum build and feels really solid and heavy. The wrist rest helps provide a comfortable experience when typing on this keyboard, and I like the fact that it's not fixed on the keyboard and you can decide to use it or not. For the keyboard itself, this is made of an airbrush anodized aluminum frame. This provides a lightweight but rugged durability, which has the tendency to support for long hours of usage, and this has built a reputation for lasting really long and still looking good. On the top left side part of the keyboard, you can find a profile switch, backlight and nums key. When you come to the right side, you can find the volume wheel and the mute button. Right below that is a couple of dedicated multimedia keys. On the top side of the keyboard, you can find a USB-C pass so you can put in a pen drive and access it through your PC. At this point, if you're enjoying the video, kindly consider subscribing to the channel as it goes a very long way to help. So in general, the keyboard itself feels really legit. It feels solid. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything like that. The aluminum frame makes this feel really premium, and I like the touch, the coldness that you feel when you put your hands on it. So in general, the keyboard feels really great. So the K70, as we know, is a mechanical switch keyboard, greatly improving the accuracy to your typing and gives this tactile feedback, which I know a lot of people like. For the switches here, we have the CHERRY MX red key. You can choose between the red, blue, brown, silent or speed. This provides a very tactile feel when typing, one of the reasons why a lot of people love these. This is how they sound. The RGB on here is totally customizable. You can save your own profile and use it even without your PC. The lights are beautiful. RGB lovers are gonna love this. And the IQ software, you can change the effect totally to suit what you want. So after using this for a couple of days, this is what I think about it. I'm personally a low profile kind of guy, but my brother has been gaming lately, so he has really had a good time with this. He adores how fast the keys are. He likes this tactile feel that this provides. In general, he has been going hours on this keyboard and has no complaints. I like the wrist rest that comes with this, so you can totally adjust it to fit your gameplay. The only thing I wish for was that the wires weren't available. I always like this low profile look, so I'm actually now going to look more into keyboards because I prefer something without the wires. So as it gives me this minimal looking deck setup. But for gamers, since the wires provides a lot of accuracy and great response, that is perfect for them. So in general, this keyboard has been great, and for 160 bucks, I feel it's a little bit high. I wish it was around 150 or 40, but I think this provides a premium feel that a lot of gamers are really going to enjoy. So if you're in the market of looking for a very good gaming keyboard and you think this is for you, I think the Corsair K70 is a perfect keyboard for you. It feels great, it looks great, and most important, it has a lot of RGB. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Leave a like on the video. You can leave your questions or comments in the comment section. I'm always hanging out with you. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next video.